Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're going to be talking about a lot of things, so before getting into the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Grab a pen and a paper and point all these. Tasks for today's videos are these. Let's know what is a source code. Well, source code is a code that you write in Java language, and that source code converted into machine language of binary is called a bytecode. All of this conversion is done because of Java runtime environment, which includes a Java virtual machine. Let's know two of these in detail. Java virtual machine executes the bytecode generated by compiler and produces output. It relies within your computer Java runtime environment within which the Java virtual machine runs. It contains libraries, classes, and other files including development tools and compiler and a debugger. Java runtime environment includes the Java virtual machine libraries and compilers plus the class files. Your source code, your .java file, goes to compiler, then the bytecode, and then you can run it on any Java virtual machine with only bytecode. Press the bell icon and subscribe. Thanks for watching.